everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, today is chess opening rap day. That's why I am going to give you 4 best opening raps every chess players must know. Okay, today is best chess opening raps day. Okay, that's why I am going to give you 4 different chess raps must know every chess players. Okay, let's go to the first raps. Okay. Hello, chess fans and chess lovers, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you 4 best chess raps every chess players must know. Okay, let's go to the first rap. This is amazing and great chess rap you never seen. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is king pawn opening. Now e5, normal development, and knight f3. Okay, now this knight attack the pawn. Now develop the knight, and black knight c6 and develop the knight, and bishop b5. Now attack the knight y the bishop. Then the third move of white playing black playing knight f6, and fourth move of white playing castling, quick castling checkmate, and fourth move of black push his knight and attack the double pawn. You can see here this knight attack this pawn, and this queen come to here easily. Okay, we can see how to handle this match. If come here, this knight attack this one. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. White. Now white in the fifth move of white push the pawn, then black push the pawn. If take the knight, this is the big blunder he made. White made a big blunder. That's why he can easily win black. Okay. Now cut the pawn, y the pawn. Then white push the knight here on e1. This is the another blunder. If queen come to here on h4, this is amazing and great chess moves of black moves. Okay. Then white push the pawn. Now he did not cut and push the pawn g3 and black cut the knight. Okay, that's it. In one move, like win y, checkmate. If anywhere, h1 or h2, you can see here. I am going to teach you this queen come to here or here. This is checkmate. Okay, you can see here now. Queen come to here. This beautiful checkmate rap. Okay, now the first checkmate rap is finished. We can go to the second rap for every chess players must know. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. This is second chess rap, best opening rap for every chess players must know. This is second and amazing and tactical chess raps. Okay, you must see. Okay, don't forget to see. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's go to the rap. Okay, first move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5. This is normal development. And knight f3. This is knight f3. White played. Attack the e5 pawn. Then defend the pawn by the knight. Then bishop b5. Okay. This bishop attack the knight. Then third move of black push the knight f6. Okay, now this knight attack the, you can see here I am going to teach you this knight attack this pawn. That's why now you can see how to handle this match. White played push the pawn and defend the pawn. Then black push the knight to e7. After that white playing cut the pawn y the knight. Now push the pawn to c6 and attack the bishop. In this time, white need to move bishop because this pawn attack the bishop. That's why bishop go back to a4. After that, black push his queen to a5 and beautiful check. Now this queen attack double pieces. One is knight, other one is bishop. You can see in the one move, special move, this is special move. This queen attack this knight and this bishop. If white need to save two pieces, but white cannot save two pieces, white will be lost his one pieces. You can see how two. Okay. Knight come to here, defend the bishop, then cut the knight and wrap the knight. Why the queen? Black queen. Okay. That's why this game easily win black, because black has so many pieces, white has less pieces. If black played smartly, black win easily this kind of chess wraps. Okay. We can go to the third chess opening wraps. Every chess player must know. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you 4 best opening wraps every chess players must know. This is third wraps. Okay, you can see right now in the right hand. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4, then e5. After that, knight f3, normal development, and knight c6, defend the pawn by the knight. Then bishop go to c4. Okay, you can see here this bishop attack the f7 squares black pawn. After that, the third move, knight f6, knight f6 attack the pawn by the e4 squares white pawn. Then knight come to here on g5. The fourth move of white. After that, black 10. Black push the pawn on d5. Okay, then equals d5, attack the knight by the pawn, then by black 10, black go to here on d4. Okay, you can see who will be win, white or black. You can see now how to handle this match. White playing amazingly, push the pawn by the d6 squares, and black queen cut the pawn. Then the seventh move of white knight cut and fork. If you think black win the queen or rook, you can think easily win white. White cannot win the game. Black win the game. You can see and share your answer below the comment section and tell me in the comment checkmate. You can write it in the comment checkmate. Okay. Then another move of black 10. Black queen come to here. This queen attack the, you can see here, this queen attack this bishop. In the same time, this queen attack this pawn. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Then knight cut the rook, then cut the pawn with white queen. Now rook come to here. Then wow, black played amazingly. Now check. If black attack with bishop, that is end the game. Now you can see in 10 moves black win by checkmate. That's it. Boom. This is brilliant technique. Best chess opening wraps. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go to the 4th chess opening wraps for every chess players must know. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, this is chess wraps, opening wraps 4. Okay, let's go to the moves. Today is opening wraps day, chess opening wraps day. Okay, this 4th video you must see, you never seen before. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white 10. White push the pawn, e4, e5, normal development, knight f3, attack the pawn, defend the pawn, bishop c4. Then the third move of black attack the e4 squares white pawn by the knight. Then knight go there in g5. Okay, now double attack the f7 squares pawn. You can see here I am going to teach you this bishop attack this pawn, in the same time this knight attack this pawn. Okay, that's why you can see how to black play. Black knight come to here. You can see here this knight attack the pawn. Then knight go to cut the pawn by the knight. If you think white win the game, what white cannot win, black win the game. You can see how to black win amazingly. Okay, let's go to the moves. Another move, black queen come to here. In one move, white make a checkmate. We will see how to cancel this much. What? White push his pawn to here on g4 and defend the checkmate. Then black chain. Black knight cut the pawn e. Then cut the pawn cut the knight y the pawn. Then queen take the pawn and check. You can see no queen take the pawn. Queen come to e4 and beautiful check. Now attack the rook, y the queen, and in the same time this black queen make a check. e1 king may have check. Okay, then king go to there and bishop come to here on f2 check. Bishop come to c5 and beautiful king is f2. That's why there is a check. Then white king go to f1. Then black take the rook, check. Then king go to there in e2. Then king got the pawn and check. Okay, then we will see how to cancel this much. White cannot do anything here. White move king to e1. Then brilliant checkmate with black queen. That's it. This is Italian game 2-night defense Ponciani Easternese variation. Okay, that's it, this game. Now black completely winning. Okay, this is best chess opening wraps every chess players must know. Okay, let's go to the another video tomorrow. Okay, today is chess opening wraps day. Okay, that's why I am giving you 4 different best chess opening wraps every chess players must know. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you, bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.